Hello, I'm Daniel Kreider, and this is Ray Newland with PaulB Hardware, here to introduce DEWALT Days, which starts today and heads through Saturday, May 17th. Ray, hit us with some deals that we got going on.
Absolutely. On the front page, we got a couple good opportunities. $299.99 buys you a two-piece kit. Get you some batteries, gonna get you a drill impact, gonna get you a charger. But when you go to walk out the door, they're gonna give you another 5.0 battery, and they're gonna throw a circular saw in as well.
That's an awesome.
That's an amazing deal. On the back page, one of the ones is a 4.5-inch grinder, $59.99. That's a really good deal for a grinder.
And that's on the flex volt system, right?
It's on the yep.
20 volt grinder. Yep.
And then there's also a $399 12-inch slide compound saw. Very good price as well.
See those deals and all of them. We got kits, individual tools, accessories, even some fasteners in there. You see that all over at PaulBHardware.com. In addition, the car is in Mechanicsburg today, Wednesday, and in Lititz tomorrow. So come on out and check that out.
Absolutely.
We missed anything? Got anything else?
Well, I got one more challenge for you if you're interested.
Am I a red-blooded male? That's rhetorical. Yes.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
in.
Okay.
I'm in.
Okay. So if you can get that wheel off, you can keep it.
The whole wheel. I get a NASCAR wheel.
Absolutely. I got the tools for it. You good?
You have the tools.
Yeah.
I just have to take it off.
Absolutely.
How hard could it be? Hand it over.
There you go. Those babies right there. There you go.
It was from the 1930s?
Yep.
Whoa, time out, time out. There is no way I'm letting him touch my wheel. No, the only way my wheel's coming off is if I burn them off. There's no way.